afternoon, guys. It is 2:42. This is Hoppy Day 2.
Tomorrow is.
No, today is Hoppy Day 2. Tomorrow's Hoppy Day 3. I'm going to explain to you why I haven't filmed in a couple days. And yeah, so I was dealing with some bullying and that the first day. So I took a day off, and then yesterday I just felt horrible. My face was all flushed and everything. And yeah, so I was like tired. I blew a heart rate of 110. And
what was 100 you said?
110.
Oh, it was 110.
Yeah, it was just not. Yeah, so I'm going to be going out for a bit. And yeah. So I got home a little while ago. I went for coffee. I just had some chicken. Yeah, for now. Listening to country music. And yeah, so we'll figure out what we're gonna do here in a bit. Probably clean up the table.
No, there's not much on it. It won't take long to clean.
And yeah. Maybe rip up some of those boxes.
Yeah.
And yeah, so I'll see you in a bit. Watching my best friend Rob right now. He's on TV.
And he's playing Disney
Dreamlight Valley. It's snowing, guys. It's like a blizzard.
Over here, show him up this window. It's so bad. Come on over. You can't see the clock tower.
This is for you, Jamie.
Yeah, buddy.
It's already accumulating.
Yep. And it's blowing.
Oh my goodness.
They told us on accurate weather.
I know, right? It just turned into a full-blown blizzard, guys.
Here, honey, give me that.
I could see it.
Oh, I can get a better view.
Look at that. Full-on blizzard. Yeah, I'm playing Wheel of Fortune.
And
we've ordered some pizzones from Pizza.
And it's a schnitzel.
Yeah, so yeah, it's like a blizzard out there, guys.
Yeah.
Can't see nothing.
I can't even see the clock.
And yeah, so that's what we're doing. We'll see you when they come. Having panzoris.
Just getting a look at that.
Mmm.
That's the Canadian.
And I got some dip.
Here you
from
have three.
Pizza.
Yeah.
And playing Wheel of Fortune.
And the last driver's vehicle broke down.
I'm going to end off the vlog here. Sorry it's not a long vlog. Tomorrow it will be.
Yeah.
And yeah, so I'll see you tomorrow with a
brand
new
new
vlog.
vlog.
Bye, guys.